We are showing you our laser source repair workshop. We summarize several cases of some laser source damage and inspection methods. Take Raycus laser source for example. First, check out the problems one by one through the Raycus Monitoring app. The situation of laser source warning can be divided into circuit damage and optical damage. For circuit damage, the most obvious feature is the circuit board burned and turned black. For optic damage, simply speaking, the most obvious feature is that fiber optic cable does not output light. Generally, it includes two main damages: laser source cable damage and pump source damage. If laser source cable damaged, then the inside cable of laser source will be burned. If the pump source damaged, the large power drop is the most direct characteristic. Before the laser source repairing, we will have the following check steps. First, check out the problems one by one through the Raycus Monitoring app. Second, check the circuit board damage. Third, test the actual power and mark each pump power, and if there is a large power drop, it's the pump damage. Fourth, test the output light of the laser source cable. Below are procedures of our engineer repairing Raycus laser source.